This is Patrick Roth, Senior Support Engineer for E1 Business Solutions. Today we're going to talk about an issue that a customer ran into trying to publish using Excel Report Builder. As you know, GP has had Excel reports for quite a few years now, and they're nice to be able to pull refreshable queries into Excel without having to write them. They've got a bunch of pre-built ones already. And of course, Excel Report Builder lets you create your own however you want, however you need it, just like it would let you create custom smart lists. So in this case, the complaint was they had just updated to a newer version of GP. I'm not sure from where to where, but they had just updated GP, and they said, hey, when we go into Smart List Builder, Excel Report Builder, and Publish Reports, and they pull up their report, they said the option for Reports Library is missing. And sure enough, from the screenshot, it was. And so I wasn't sure why that would be. If it's been set up, I don't know if there's something that changed that. So anyway, but fortunately, the answer was pretty easy to resolve. So Excel Report Builder doesn't have its own pathing for that. Instead, we leverage off the reports library that GP is using. So if we go to Tools, Setup, System, Reporting Tool Setup, and go to Excel Reports, what we did find out is that the location wasn't implemented and the reports directory was blank. Not sure why that would be, if they had been using it previously. I don't know if it's an update thing or what, but it was blank. And so we would look to set up usually a network drive. So I set it up to network share, and you would put a UNC path out to your network folder or a map drive or whatever you needed to. I'll just pick a local folder, and now I save it. And if I go back to Smart List Builder, Excel Builder, Publish Reports, we can see that reports library is there, the first one that was a list, and I can choose my product, I can choose my series, and I can give it the file name, and it would be published the report successfully. So I'm not sure why their path was empty, but it was, and that affected that setting, and putting it back with a proper path solved the issue.